Well, hey neighbors, welcome to the shed shop in this edition of Here's Your Saw Neighbor. Uh, I have this steel MS210 that I've sold to my neighbor in Georgia, and so we're just doing a short video to show him that it's running and cutting and everything because he's out of state and he doesn't get to do it here, so I like to do it for my neighbors for assurance. I'm tired as hell. Every time I want to go to sleep, I end up having something to do, but when it comes to making money, I can't go to sleep because I have to make the money. Okay, so it is what it is. My neighbor has paid for his saw, and so I want to get it to him in a timely fashion. And then the unfortunate part is now, well, not unfortunate because it's making more money. Now I've got a guy coming. It'll take me forever to try and fall asleep. He'll be here in about 3 hours, and I know what will happen. It'll take me 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 45 minutes to fall asleep. And then he'll come, and then after I take care of him, by the time I start to fall asleep again, something else will come up. So anyways, I've been cutting with this, so it's nice and warm, so it should start nice and easy. Well, it should. Ah, you little bastard. I thought it was still going to be plenty warm. It's only been like 30 minutes. Not that cold out. I want to see if this carburetor needs tuned just a tiny bit more, because it shouldn't have to take 5 pulls. It was only set in 30 minutes. Got a screw right here too, I can tell. So we'll take that up. This is why I don't send it out right away. This is why I told my neighbor I need 2 days. Gotta make sure we get all the kinks out. Gotta make sure everything's good to go. Okay, we'll put that screw in, and we're going to check it with a tachometer just to be sure. If you guys are wondering why I'm literally limbing every little branch pretty much, is because I have that chipper back there, and a lot of this little stuff I'll chip up. Number one, that makes pretty decent kindling for my wood stove, but it's also good for my gardens. And then when I put a stick like this in the stove, I don't want all this stuff sticking on it like that, right? And I don't want to have to sit here and cut it with loppers and stuff. But I'll tell you what, let me show you one thing before we go. And then I got to go wash up and lay down for a couple hours. Even though I really want to build that 272 on my bench. I just got my crank last night. But I was building this and a couple of other saws. So I've got an MS210 and an MS250 in there that both of them have no air leaks, brand new spark plugs, good coils, good spark, good carburetors, because the MS250 was starting and then bogging out real quick, and then the MS210 never has even fired. And it could be that I flooded them out, but I haven't taken them apart. So if I did flood them out, they're like severely flooded out, because I did to just pull the cord, you know, hold the trigger and pull cord. This thing is freaking insane. Is it still plugged in? No, it's not. But this will cut a branch. This is like 1 inch wide, 1 1/4 inch wide. It'll cut a 1 1/2 inch fucking branch. It's crazy. I've been trying to sell this thing for like 3 years for $5. Now I'm not selling it. I didn't realize how good it would cut all this stuff. Like all this little stuff, that's what I've been doing it with. But since I have to cut with chainsaws, I don't have all the energy and time to spend with that thing. You guys know with my disability, I got to use my energy conservatively. So there's your saw, neighbor. It'll ship tonight or tomorrow. I might want to cut with it one more day. Just let it I want to cold start it at least once more and cut with it and let it sit a half hour and see if I got to pull the cord 5 times to get it started again, because I might need to richen out the low jet just a little bit and then turn the idle up. So we'll see. But I'm going to put a tachometer on it and check it, and then we'll go from there. So until next time, neighbors, be kind to one another. Everyone's facing a battle. I love all you neighbors, even though I really fucking suck at it. Hashtag persevere. Chainsaw Redeemer has not failed because he doesn't quit. I might temporarily get down, but I don't fucking quit, neighbors. Neither should you. Till next time.